Welcome back to AutoCAD exercise class. In this class, we are discuss about this drawing. Last class, we are discussed about absolute coordinate system. So based on absolute coordinate system, in this class, we are going to create the point first. After that, we directly open AutoCAD software, then we enter the point and we get the same structure of 2D drawing. So as per our absolute coordinate system, this is my origin point. Origin point means this is my x-axis and this one my y-axis. Okay. So first point. So whenever we open the AutoCAD software, so AutoCAD software is always asking the first point. So first point we give 0, 0 as per our origin point. This is our origin point. So in this place we give 0, 0. Next, second point. So this is our second point. Already I mentioned in the red color. This is point number 2. So in the point number 2, x-axis 0 only because x is not moving. X not moving, y only moving. Y, how much distance it's moving is up to here. In this point we want to count the y-axis value. This axis value is here 5 mm. Where we are able to find? Here we know the value is given here. So this is 5 mm. It means the point number 2, the x-axis value is 0, the y-axis value is 5. Same like that. Now we go to find out the point number 3. Point number 3, x-axis is moving, y-axis is not moving. It means y-axis I put the same what I get in the previous one, the same value I put here, 5. X-axis moving 2 mm. It means 2, 5. Next, point number 4. So this is point number 4. Now cursor is here. The cursor is moving here to here. Point number 4. Now the x-axis is not moving. So directly I put x-axis value is 2. But y-axis moving. Y-axis moving 2 mm. So already 5 mm moved. Here already 5 mm moved. Now again 2 mm moved. So 5 plus 2, 7. So here we want to add 7 mm. Next, point number 4 to 5. In this place, same like that previous one. So now we always refer from the origin point from here. So it means y-axis is not moving. So y-axis as usual I give 7. Then x-axis already 2 mm moved. Now again 7 mm. So 7 plus 2, 9 mm. Next, point number 6. So here we want to little bit careful because the cursor coming from down. It means line, we created the line from 5 to 6 as a downwards. So downwards also we give only plus values. We are not giving minus value because this point number 6 above from the origin point. Point number 6, we want to find the x-axis and y-axis value. Here, see, the x-axis value is 9. How I give 9? 7 plus 2. This is 0 from here. 7 plus 2, 9. And now we want to count the y-axis value. See, y-axis value here always 5 down. It means 2 mm down. It means 5. So here 5. So point number 6, we enter 9, 5. Next, we move to point number 7. Point number 7, the y-axis never change. So I give same as a 5. But x-axis change. X-axis added. It's not reducing. It's added. How much is added? So how we find this value? 6 to 7. This x-axis value, how we go to find? So we know the total value here. Find out the total value. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So already we know 7 plus 2, 9 mm. So 11 minus 9 we get. So here also 2 mm. I taking from the image format. Maybe some scale is changed. So this also 2 mm. So here to here means this is total and this 11 mm. So here I go to type 11, 5. Again, point number 7 to 8. The x-axis same 11, but y-axis is going to reach 0 because here 5 mm is coming down from 8. This minus 5. So we get 0. Next, point number 8 to 9 in this place. So x-axis always reduced from the 2 mm. x-axis reduce from 11 minus 2. So we get here 9 mm. And y-axis value, next point number 9 to 10 in this place. So again it's going to increase in y-axis. So now x-axis 9, y-axis 3 mm increased. So 0 plus 3 we get in 3. Then point number 10 to 11. So here in this point again that x-axis value is going to reduce. It means 3 mm reduce. So x is 3 and y is same as previous one, it's 3. Next point number 11 to 12. Here now again that y-axis value is going to reduce because this is y-axis, no, the height is mentioned y-axis. So y-axis is going to reduce. How much reduce? Only for 1 mm reduced. So already we have the 3, again 1 reduce means 2 mm. X-axis not change, so I directly write x-axis 6. Next point number 12 to 13. Here y-axis same 2 mm, but x-axis again reduced to 2 mm. Already we have 6, again reduced to 2 means now we get 4 mm. Next point number 14. Now y-axis again increased. So x-axis as usual 4 mm, but y-axis again 1 mm increased, now again is getting 3. Then point number 14 to 15. Here x-axis going to reduce. Already we have 4 mm, now this 3 mm is reduced. It means 1 comma as same as a same value in y-axis, so I put 3. Now again 15 to 16, x and y is, x value is 1 mm, y value is going to 0. And 17 is going to join here, x 17 again 0 comma 0. In the final stage we put enter. Finally we get this entire drawing. I think now you understand this drawing and also that absolute coordinate system. So next we move to AutoCAD software. There I go to directly enter the values and finally we see how this drawing go to create. Okay, let's we open AutoCAD software. I open the AutoCAD software. Just now I go to click new, open the new page, and you know very well, so we want to give the 3 important commands. So starting from units, so in my system the millimeter is default units. In case in your system is different unit, please change to millimeter. Then you give OK. Next, limits the lower left corner always 0, 0 and upper right corner I take as an A4 drawing sheet, so I give 297, 210. Okay. Next we give for zoom command is that OOM, and all means entire area fixed in my system. So now I go to press L. You know very well L means line command. If you need the reference drawing in your working area, it means the graphics area, just you go to copy the image and paste here. So now I give escape button and also minimize and open that image. So I need this image, just I select copy using Ctrl C in my keyboard, then I paste from AutoCAD just using Ctrl V. See, just you click, just OK. So now you get that real image in your graphics area. So I just select, and you want to move or anything else, you just select and use the same CAD commands. So just I select move command, select the corner, just I move wherever I want. Okay. So now I go to start the first line L, enter. The AutoCAD asking us specify first point. So we know very well always we give the first point is 0, 0. So I give the first point. Again the AutoCAD asking next point. So what is the next point? Before just now we discussed. So next point is 0, 5. Okay, like this. So point number 3, 2 comma 5. Point number 4, 2 comma 7. Point number 5, 9 comma 7. And point number 6, 9 comma 5. And point number 7, 11 comma 5. And point number 8, 11 comma 0. Then point number 9, 9 comma 0. And point 10, 9 comma 3. And point 11, 6 comma 3. And point 12, 6 comma 2. Point 13, 4 comma 2. Then point 14, 4 comma 3. And point 15, 1 comma 3. And point number 16, 1 comma 0. And the last point you give 0 comma 0 or C enter. So now I give C enter. So this is my final drawing. Okay. So just check it. In case you want this image is very near to you, because this is very small dimension, but here we have very big. So select this one, go to scale command. Here we have the option scale. Just to select the scale and then select the point. So you go to just select what dimension you want. For example, I want to reduce the 4 times, means I give 0.4. Still you want to reduce, same like this, select, go to scale, select, again I give 0.2. See, now mostly same. Then again go to move, select the image, enter, any 0.2, pick and place the nearest place. Okay. So like this we go to control the images. So I think now you understood how to create this 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Still you have doubt in absolute coordinate system, please go to our playlist AutoCAD 2022 English and learn how to create this drawings using absolute coordinate system. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next class.